Hi everyone, how are you my dear children? Hope you all are safe and fine. As you can see, today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic again. Why do stars twinkle but planets do not? Again this is application of atmospheric refraction. So when light enters from the space into the atmosphere, it is going to bend a little bit. That we have discussed. This is your earth suppose, and this is your atmosphere. Suppose star is over here. Now a ray of light is coming and bending like this. Another ray of light is coming and bending like this. Okay. So light enters from the space into the atmosphere. It is going to bend a little bit. This happens because the speed of light decreases. Speed of light decreases as it enters into the earth atmosphere. So it refracts. For us, it appears to be, see, for us, suppose we are here. For us, now where the star is, so it appears to little bit higher, like this. This shifting of position of star we have discussed earlier. But why does this twinkling effect happens? As light passes through different layers to reach the earth's surface, it continuously bends at each layer due to refraction. As there will be change in density. As we move closer to the earth, the density increases. That means more denser medium. Okay. So speed keeps on decreasing. So there will be again variation in temperature, dust particle also, pollution also. These things are also we are going to take into the consideration. All these things are responsible for the decrease in speed of light. So path taken by light, it will be like this. It will be continuously changing like this. Okay. When light ray from the star will come, it will bend like this. Continuously it will keep on changing its path because atmospheric condition is continuously changing with time, like your density and temperature. Okay. So due to this continuous change, you will see the path of light continuously changing. Suppose you are here. Okay. And initially suppose 4 rays of light, let us try to understand this. Suppose 4 rays of light is coming from the star to your eyes. So now it is bright. Due to this change in atmospheric condition, after some time you can see only 2 rays of light. Another 2 rays will bend like this. That means only 2 rays are reaching to your eyes from the star. That means here the stars appear dim. Are you getting? Hence the rays of light reaching our eyes keeps on changing. That gives the twinkling effect. Hope you have understood this twinkling effect. Now let us discuss about planet. Planets do twinkle, children, but we can't notice it. Planet appears much bigger than your star in the sky. Suppose star is looking like this. This is like a dot or a point. Planet will look like this. Okay, this is your planet. So planets appear much bigger in the sky as compared to a star, which looks like a point only. As planets are closer to us, that means closer to Earth, comparatively it is closer than your star. So you can see the bigger size of planet. We can assume this planet is made up of many such stars. This planet is made up of many such stars. So many points. If you consider star to be a point source, then planet is made up of so many point source. That means each star now will twinkle. Since it is made up of many stars, we will assume that. So each star is twinkling. If one star is dim, then other star is bright. Okay, and so on. If this star is bright, when it is bright, then this star is dim. So it will go on like this. So on a whole, we can see the same bright planet, as we can't differentiate this fluctuation. Hence, planet do not appear to twinkle. Is it clear, children? Why stars twinkle and why planets do not twinkle? Planets do twinkle, but we can't see these things, as planet is made up of such stars. If one point is dim, then another point is bright. On a whole, it looks like it is not twinkling. It is bright only. But stars, it is a very small. It is a very small dot because of continuous change in atmospheric condition. Your light rays coming from the star keeps on changing. That's why you are getting the twinkling effect. Hope you have understood this lecture. If any doubt, please leave a comment in comment section box so that I can address your doubts. Thank you, children. Take care. Thank you for watching.